Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2025 Volkswagen Taos and I will show you how to enable or disable the automatic braking while parking or driving at slow speeds. This video should apply to Volkswagen Taoses made from 2002 all the way up to 2026 or possibly even newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now to access these features, you want to press the menu button on the main screen, then you want to select the vehicle, and then you want to press the settings in the bottom right. And here you want to select parking and maneuvering. Then you want to scroll down to maneuver braking, and here you can deactivate it or activate it. It's up to your preference. Now, like I said, this is not like collision alert when you're driving at high speed. This is part of the parking assist when you are parking the vehicle or driving at really low speeds. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.